So today we're in Chengdu China still, but as you can see, I have a big old smile on my face because today is a special day. Why? Well, does this give you a clue? We're about to head to the research center for panda bears in China. Worked on Kung Fu Panda. Right. So that's gonna be very cool.
Yeah, this is exciting. Alright, here we go. Entrance.
I'm glistening.
Oh my gosh, I'm boiling. I look like I'm just melting. They're asleep. Seeing a lot of panda bears, but not babies yet. We're on the search. We think this might be it. Saw baby panda bears. That was amazing.
That's cool. That's cool.
Those panda bears are so cute. We're going again. When I heard that we'd go see panda bears and baby panda bears, I was thinking, that sounds cool. You know, I've seen them on TV and things like that. But then you get to the babies and your heart just melts and you're just like, oh my goodness, how could anything be that absolutely cute? Thank you so much, Chengdu, and we'll see you guys next time.